In this video short, we are going to learn or review how to add fractions with unlike denominators. Meaning, you see here, the denominator in this fraction is a 6 and the denominator in this fraction is a 9. They are not alike. Before you add the fractions together, you need to get a common denominator. And what you want is the least common denominator. So to figure out the least common denominator, you're going to think about the least common multiple that both of these numbers, 6 and 9, have in common. So let me list the multiples, the first couple multiples for 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Those are some multiples of 6. Okay, let me list the multiples for 9 now. So we have 9, 18, 27, 36. So I listed multiples of each 6 and 9. So now I'm going to find the multiple that they have in common, the least common multiple. Well, we have an 18 here, and we have a multiple of 18 there. Therefore, the least common multiple between these two numbers is 18. So let's make our common denominator 18. Okay, so our new denominator for this fraction is 18. I'm going to keep the plus sign and 18. Okay, now we have to go back and we have to think about, well, what did I multiply this fraction by to get my denominator as 18? Well, I multiplied the bottom by 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And my new numerator is 5 times 3 is 15. Now my other fraction also needs the denominator of 18. So I have to think about, what did I multiply the bottom by to get 18 as my denominator? And I multiply 9 by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And my new numerator is 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay. Now that I have a common denominator, meaning they both have the same denominator, I can just add across. Well, 15 plus 8 is 23. So it's 23 over 18. And I cannot reduce that fraction.